Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at Hydrix, a mobile mining app that claims you can earn free cryptocurrency just by using your phone. But is it real or is it just another scam? Let's find out. Hydrix is an Android app that says it lets you mine cryptocurrency tokens for free. No expensive equipment needed. Just download the app and start earning. Sounds great, right? Well, the app has been around since late 2022 and has a few thousand downloads on the Google Play Store. Here's where things get concerning. First, phones cannot actually mine cryptocurrency. Real mining needs powerful computers that cost thousands of dollars. Your phone simply doesn't have the power to compete. When apps say they're mining on your phone, they're usually doing something else entirely. Second, the Hydrix token has no real value yet. You can't withdraw or sell what you mine. The app promises future listings and exchanges, but there's no proof that this will happen. Many similar apps make these same promises and never deliver. Third, users' reviews are mixed. Some report login problems, disappearing balances, and usernames changing to NAN, which means the data got corrupted. There are serious technical issues with this app. Most mobile mining apps work like this. They give you tokens that exist only in their app. You watch ads, complete tasks, or refer friends to earn more. The app makes money from the ads you watch. Meanwhile, your tokens sit there with no real way to cash out. The app developers promise that one day you'll be able to withdraw and sell your tokens for real money, but that day might never come. And even if it does, the tokens might be worth almost nothing. So, is this a scam? Well, it's complicated. The app doesn't steal your money directly since it's free to use, but it likely wastes your time. You're earning tokens that may never have any value while the developers profit from ads. My advice: skip Hydrix and similar mobile mining apps. If you want to earn cryptocurrency, look into legitimate methods like staking on established platforms, or simply buy small amounts of coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Don't waste your time mining fake tokens on your phone. Stay safe, stay smart, and always do your research. Thanks for watching.